I would request all my students to put the microphone on because we have our champion who was taking the class with us yesterday, Upal Patel. He passed and got his PhD and made us very, very proud.
Congratulations.
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 Congratulations. Congratulations.
Congrats.
Congratulations.
Okay. What a fish market. I'm just joking. Okay. Upal, where are you?
Thanks a lot, everyone.
Yeah, just 1 second. Somebody had this rate. Hold on. I had to put all the mics off. Hold on. Let me put all the mics off to begin with. Yeah? Cynthia's mic is going on all the time. Upal, you can't move with a video while people are pinned. Because I am pinned. Okay, Upal, I can't move you. There you are. You're below me. And here, nice to just let me unpin myself. Hold on.
Sure.
Remove pin from the first screen. Okay, there you are. Come. And then I can watch you. It looks natural. Where are you? Okay, Upal. Well done, Upal, champion.
Thank you very much, sir.
So now you can tell your journey. It's not been a long time that you've been with us, in a very short time. And we also did a quiz. So you can tell you about the time, how you found us, and how was it in the beginning. And obviously, if our meeting last night and this morning made any difference, let them know how it feels. So they'll know what they have to go through, what is awaiting them. You've been through the road that they'll be going.
Certainly, sir. So first of all, everyone, remember, it is possible. For me, it is possible to get an Italian driving license. Because if I tell you my story, for me, it's not even been a year since I arrived in Italy. My first year is going to complete next month. So just because of the need of driving a car, I wanted to get the Italian license, and some good person recommended me name of Mr. Ambrish. So I contacted him a couple of weeks ago, and I was so fortunate to get a hold of him and started my journey with him in order to get my Italian license. And although I believed at first that the road is not going to be easy, and in first couple of days, yes, I believe that the theory exam is going to be very difficult. Although I have been driving the car by myself for more than 10 years now, but as the law says in Italy, we must pass the theory exam. So for that, I think Mr. Ambrish is very right and the most skilled person to train us foreigners, because for us, our first difficulty is language. For me, still now, I cannot speak Italian more than ciao, buongiorno. That's all. Yeah. So still, like, what I did is that I kept on listening to Mr. Ambrish every day. I kept on relating it to the practical driving. And although all the laws does not make sense while we are doing the practical driving, but still, to pass the exam, we need to learn the laws, and we need to answer the questions accordingly. So that's where the role of Mr. Ambrish comes in place. He explains the laws, the regulations, and how can I say, some skills to answer the questions in such a way that it trains our mind. Like he always says, he's not a teacher, he's a trainer, and I certainly believe that fact. And I am someone who can affirm his statement from now onwards, because if he has made it possible for me, then definitely any foreigner coming to Italy wanting a driving license, it's possible, guys. It's definitely possible. And about the last night, yes, like I was doing many quizzes on my own since I got the date of my exam. And although I was passing uh, let's say 80% of the quizzes, but still, uh, even if we see one mistake, then we might feel that, okay, at the time of the exam we might get many mistakes like this. But the key here is that you keep on practicing. So one time will come that one time will come where you need not uh, um need not to read the whole question. Just a couple of words here and there, and the answer is already in your mind. So this is the that's why it is said practice makes a man perfect. And although don't skip any class with Mr. Ambrish, because if you miss one day, you might delay one whole week or 1 month in getting your license in your hand. So uh, yes, like the quiz that we did last night and this morning with Mr. Ambrish, so it was very valuable because every one of us needs a last minute boost, and many of us are here without our families. So yes, in Italy, Mr. Ambrish was my family, is my family, sorry, from past couple of weeks, and till I get my license, I'm not going to leave him. And obviously, his recommendation is going to be spreaded out through me to many of my friends. And
Thank you very much, Upal. Thanks a lot, Veer. I appreciate. I never heard you speak so much in such a long time. By the way, I can tell you. Okay, first of all, Upal knows the language, one of the languages that are spoken in India, which I also speak. So what I'll let you know. What I'll tell you now, you will not understand. હવે તમને ફોલિયો રોઝા મળી ગયું છે ને અને પેકેટ લાઇસન્સ માટે પાછા મારા પાસે આવો છો તમે 3 દિવસ પહેલા 4 દિવસ પહેલા હું તમને બધું શીખવાડી દઈશ. ઓકે.
Okay, sir. Sure.
All the best. I wish you all the best, and I'll see you again very soon. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. And guys, it is possible. Just keep working hard. It is possible, and I wish you all heaps of success. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Upal.